to adjust color filter strength in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Camera app and hold phone, and you will see click on 4 dot icon and click on this filter icon. So you will see you will adjust strength from here. You will see strength is here. So if you want to adjust color filter strength, so after adjust strength and take picture, you will see after the process go back to home screen. So that's how you can adjust color filter strength in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.